Okay. This is quiz number 3, dealing primarily with the percent, parts per million, parts per billion, and brief temperature conversions. Okay. First one is what weight of salt can be found in 50 grams of an aqueous solution of 25% active salt. So we have a salt solution that is 25% active in salt. It didn't specify salt, but anyway, salt. Mass of solution is 50 grams, so that would represent the total, and the 25% active would represent the fraction of salt. So essentially the mass of salt is 25% of 50 grams. Converting the percent to decimal fraction, 0.25 times 50 grams leads us to 12.5 grams salt. Okay, most of you are familiar with this conversion. Of means multiply when dealing with percentages, 25%, 40%, 50% of whatever your total is. Oh, that looks like an A choice. Any questions? Okay. And let's see, number 2. 30 gram sample of a sulfur iron mix. Okay, mass. Is 30 grams. And it was analyzed to find out that it had mass of sulfur is equal to 17 grams. Okay, what is the percent iron in the sample? Well, we have to get a mass of iron first. Mass of iron is the total 30 minus 17 grams, and just to be sure I don't mess that up, we have 13 grams of iron in the sample now. So the percent of iron is part over total. The part is 13 grams out of a total of 30 grams times 100%. I got a 43.3% B choice. Any questions then? Okay. Number 3. A compound was found to be 25 parts per million in the atmosphere, whatever it is. How much is this in a percentage? So concentration is 25 ppm, and essentially this is 25 parts out of 10 to the 6 parts, like this. Okay, and if you had to express this in percentage, just simply multiply by 100%, and we get 0.0025%. Any questions? C choice. Okay. Number 4, concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere was measured to be, well, I transpose the numbers. We'll say concentration is 0.03, we correct it, 78%. What is this amount in parts per million? Well, concentration in ppm is based upon interpretation of what the percentage is, and that is a 0.0378 parts out of 100, and then times 10 to the 6, and that will be in ppm, and 378 ppm. Okay, and B choice looks like. And finally, I'll go ahead and put it on here and everybody is on. Okay, finally, calculating the temperature, making a temperature conversion using from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Well, degrees Celsius is 5/9 F minus 32, degrees F minus 32. If you recall, degrees Fahrenheit was 9/5 degrees C plus 32. Remember, the formula for Celsius contains a parenthesis in it. Okay, the formula for Fahrenheit does not. Well, we were asked to convert 77 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, and that comes out as 25% C. One of the little things that you'll eventually come to recognize as a common issue when we are talking about general chemistry problems and stuff is what we call standard thermodynamic conditions. Well,